Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwears, which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It's looking very beautiful and looking really nice. And this one is also a nice white color heel which looks really beautiful, and this one is also very pretty. It's in a red color which looks really beautiful and which looks really amazing and pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very amazing kind of heel. It looks really beautiful and really unique kind of heels which looks really different and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of thing. It looks really different. Like as you see, it's in a black color along with some very colorful things on the top that make your heel very beautiful and very amazing. And this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It's in a black color and along with some amazing shine on the top that looks really beautiful and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's in a gray kind of color with a little bit blue shade which looks really amazing and really beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very different kind of heel, and the design of the heel, it looks really different and really pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel, and as you see, this one is also a very different and amazing kind of black color, and it's a block heel which looks really beautiful and really amazing. And as you see, this white color heel also looks really nice. It's the very simple design and very beautiful also. And this one is also a very pretty kind of color combination. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful and more amazing and pretty. And as you see, there's this footwear available in different kind of colors with the same design. That's the very good thing, to choose according to your style, your outfit color, and that kind of things. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It's in a little bit brown with the studs on the top that looks really beautiful and really pretty. And as you know, you can wear such kind of footwear with your every kind of outfits, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you know, you can pair up these heel in every occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear such kind of footwears. They looks very pretty and very amazing. And the world of footwear is a dynamic and ever-evolving entity, driven by technological advancement, cultural exchange, and artistic innovations. And from the runways of Paris to the streets of Tokyo, footwear designers are constantly pushing the boundaries of styles, sustainability, and functionality. With the rise of fast fashion, eco-friendly materials, and digital customization, the footwear industry is undergoing a significant transformation, catering to diverse consumers' needs, preferences, and values. As a result, footwear has become an integral part of our personal narratives, reflecting our values, aspirations, and connections to the world around us. And as you know, footwear is a vital aspect of human culture, like transcending its functional purpose to become an integral part for identity, creativity, and self expression. With an incredible diversity of styles, materials, and designs, footwear has the power to transform our mood, attitude, and overall appearance. From the intricate embroidery of traditional crafts and to the innovative technology of modern athletic shoes, footwear is a testament to human creativity. Whether we are making a fashion statement or paying homage to our heritage, and If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care.